Top 3 easiest ways of getting free traffic for affiliate marketing. I'm going to start from number 3 and slowly make my way up to number 1, which I think is the best. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. I'm going to show you examples of each platform that I mentioned here and the results they are getting. So for my number 3 spot, we have TikTok. Why is TikTok number 3? TikTok is number 3 because you cater to viewers from your own area. For example, let's say you're from Europe, from a certain country, you are only going to cater to those viewers. But in most cases, you will be promoting US products. How do you get TikTok to run to US viewers? How do you get your content to run to US viewers? Well, you can't do that unless you have a US SIM card or you use a VPN, but they have a very strict policy about that, and it's very hard getting to the US with a VPN and actually catering to US viewers. So that is why TikTok is at the number 3 spot. But if you are from the US, or if you use a US SIM card and install TikTok on your phone that way, and you can cater to US viewers, TikTok is also a great platform for that. And I'm gonna show you an example why right here. So we have this channel, T-Burn Review 100. All right, if we play a little bit of his TikTok video, which got 230,000 plays.
If you or someone you love is struggling with bleeding or receding gums, toothaches or decay, gum infections, mouth pain, bad breath, or any type of periodontal issues, then this...
So basically he's giving you sort of common problems with your teeth, and then later on he puts his affiliate link in he says link in bio, and if you go to his channel, you can see what I mean. So this is the person's channel, and they're not just promoting one product, okay? They promote a bunch of a bunch of affiliate products. So if we click on this link right here, this is basically a link tree of all of his affiliate products, which he has mentioned in his video. So in his videos, he gets sort of good traffic for some of them, 13,000 plays right here, 1,000, 8,000 plays, 200,000 plays, so on and so forth. As you can see, the views are really solid, 136K. So I'm guessing his most popular product and the one he gets the biggest conversion from is actually ProDentum. This is a product for your teeth. So if we click this link right here, I'm about to go to a different website. As you can see, he has all of these different products. So he has Find Your Soulmate Sketch, Lean Belly Juice, ProDentum, the one which we showed you, Flat Belly Tonic, T-Burn, and Java Burn Coffee Mix. So these are 6 affiliate products. So if you just click on one of those, as you can see, text PHP Hop Kenroy 911. So this is the person's name, and this is a hop link. It refers you to the website. So if a person makes a purchase, it can be traced back to you and you earn a commission. So that is why the third best method of getting free traffic, according to me, is TikTok. If you're from the US, you're at an advantage. If you're anywhere but the US, you have to work hard if you want to cater to a US audience. So number 3, TikTok, third best method of getting free traffic for affiliate marketing. All right, second way of getting free traffic for your affiliate marketing products is through blog posts. Now with TikTok, you have to get lucky and your video can instantly get a huge number of views and hence convert some into sales. But with blog posts, it takes more time. You get complete freedom over what you create. You don't have to make videos, you have to make blog posts. But in order for your blog to start ranking and for your post to start ranking, it might take on average from 3 to 6 months. That is the average time it takes for a website to rank in Google search or any search engine. So with blog posts, I have this as an example, mysupplemansreviews.blogspot.com. As you can see, this person writes about Exipure, my weight loss journey with Exipure. If we see right here, this is just an image. It is not a clickable link. It's not a hyperlink. But as you can see right here, it is the same old information. Probably, we don't know if that's true. But as you can see in his blog post or her blog post, these hyperlinks, Exipure supplement, if we click on them, hop link, Money Day 24. So again, they write a blog on how good a product is. We have no idea if they've actually tried this product or not, but according to them, it is an insanely good product. So by doing and by writing blog posts with just a little bit of time, maybe like if you do blog posts, you should give it half a year before you give up on blog posts, because that is when you can start ranking. In very rare occasions, it can take up to a year, but in most occasions, 3 to 6 months from creating these blog posts, you can start ranking in search and hence converting more clicks into potential conversions and revenue and making sales. And my number one best way of getting free traffic is actually YouTube. On YouTube, you can make long-term content. You can make long-linked content videos or shorts. With shorts, you get a rapid growth and it is not geo-locked. So it won't be locked to people from your own country, for example. You can cater to US citizens, even if you are from Europe, for example. And with long-term content, it takes a little bit of time to rank as long as you do good SEO optimization. But after that, the views just keep gradually increasing and increasing. And that is why YouTube is actually my preferred platform for affiliate marketing, my free source of traffic for affiliate marketing. So you get the best of both worlds. You get something which is similar to both the blogs as well as TikTok, except it is not geo-locked. The time it takes for your videos to rank usually is the same for SEO optimization when trying to rank in Google search as well, or any search engine. But YouTube has the best of both worlds, and I'm going to show you an example right here. Prodentum, warning, Prodentum review, do not buy before watching this. And it is not really anything insightful. As you can see, this is just text-to-speech audio.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Harris and welcome to my channel. Probably if you clicked here on this video, it is because you want to know more information until the end.
And basically you have no idea if this person is an actual doctor or not, but they just give you info about how good the product is. And if we go to the description, first link, we click it, it looks a little bit suspicious, but after some time, it becomes apparent that it is also a hop link and they earn a commission if you get this product. So YouTube, you can make long linked videos like this and rank, or you can just make YouTube shorts and rank instantly almost. So you get views and you can get conversions right off the bat. So my third, or actually my best method of getting free traffic is YouTube, because it combines both the blog posts and TikTok into one, which is that is super good in my opinion if you want to bring sales and make sales. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something out of this, got some ideas, get them affiliates, make some money. Goodbye.